Hey, bud.
Hey.
Is there anything you want to talk about?
No?
Sure. Okay, I got an idea. Let me take these. Thanks. And I'm taking that too.
But why?
We are going to be deep frying some Oreos in a beer batter from the Grand Armory Brewing folks. White chocolate blonde, delicious beer. We're going to start with a big old box of pancake mix. That is approximately 1 cup of pancake mix. Now, it doesn't matter what kind you use. If you want to make your own, do it. If you like a different brand, use that. Doesn't matter. And add beer little by little. We don't want to add too much. Definitely need more. When you think of beer batter, you think of like fish, asparagus. You usually don't think of something sweet. At least I didn't in the past. But if you use a sweet beer, you can totally deep fry dessert stuff. Twinkie, candy bar, whatever you want. It's good. A little bit more. That's what we're looking for right there. That was about two-thirds of the can of our white chocolate blonde. Now, our oil is coming up to 350 degrees. Wait until it gets a little bit closer. I'll throw an Oreo in there, and we'll show you how it's done. Alright, we've got our oil at 350. I'm going to take our skewered double stuffed Oreo and get a good even coat. Drop it in, give it a little spin. Get that batter start hardening up. And drop it. Other one. Drop it. We're gonna flip the first one. That one flip. Let's see what the other side looks like. We're gonna call that one. Don't eat the stick. Don't do that.
The stick is bad and okay.
Don't eat the stick. Stick's really bad and cry.
Alright, well that one's working. Another one started. Again. Just cover the Oreo. That's it. And look. Couple more seconds on this bad boy. Pull it. Flip. Try to take the skewer off this one, see if we can do that. Oh yeah.
Drop it like it's hot, Shane.
I can't. I'm getting too old. I can only let it down like it's warm.
All right, so we did have a couple. We are going to give her a cut in half.
Ooh, a cross section.
Take a look at that. It's melted the creme.
Oh. Oh.
Totally put chocolate, powdered sugar, throw these on top of ice cream, whatever you want to do. But they're damn good by themselves.
Oh, give me another one.
See? There we go.
Oh.
Now we take the bite.
Mm.
Chase it with the Oreo.
Take another sip. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Kicker is you get one of their other fantastic beers, the Nutter Your Business.
What's that?
It's a peanut butter brown stout.
Peanut
butter stout.
It's perfection.